Hey, what's going on, Beowulf Nation? It's I'm Beowulf back at it with another video. Alright, so you guys have been seeing, I've been having some big issues riding the intercoastal waterway with this high current. It's enough's enough. I've gone through two brands of sponsons, and I really feel that the last one I've been using has made it even worse. So today is an unboxing video. This is the last ditch effort. Can we make the Kawasaki SX-R 1500 work in the high current of the intercoastal waterway in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina? Can it be possible? So I'll do the next video. I'm going to show you guys all three sponsons before the one in the box gets installed in this. So this video is an unboxing video of unboxing. From what I looked at the reviews, it's probably the sponsons I should have gone with from the start. So I've been like scouring. I started with the R&D, and then I used Riva Racing, but Riva Racing, the sponson paddles are smaller than the R&D, which I'll show these all in the video, comparing all three. It gives you guys some ideas of watching before buying. So what's in the box? JC Racing sponsons, and they have a mid sponson, which is pretty cool because I only think there's like them and another brand that do that with the mid sponsons. And I called around, and there's a lot of people that are just, you know, I'm up to listening to people racing. They seem to understand more where it's coming from, what I'm describing. A lot of people have not ridden one of these in high current. So actually, I think I learned how to ride a stand-up in the high current. I mean, like I've said in past videos, all the times when I've gone to the Midwest and I come back home, I'm like, how is this thing so hard to ride? So let's see what's in the box. Be real careful when you're cutting that tape. I'm glad these came too before I pulled off those, because I was literally shot a video of ceramic coating this. You haven't checked that out. It's a pretty cool video. A lot of fun doing it. So, holy cow. I don't know about these. I tell you, Riva Racing, if you're looking for sponsors for sit-down jet skis, they're where to go. I really tell you, they're bigger than the stock ones. But look at the comparison here of the size. It's literally longer than their whole back plate. I really think this is the ticket, guys. I really think it's the ticket. Let's see, they sent some cool. Yeah, check that out right there. Out racing using the product. That gives you guys an idea too. So they got a couple other stuff. This one I got are the race blades. They recommended this is what I should be using. So that's kind of interesting too, is how you see this mid sponson. And I guess it's legal. They have two different versions of the mid sponson, I think. And it's legal with professional racing too. Holy cow. So here is the mid sponson. And if you see there, I would have to really put those way forward that I find the best with the ski, but I just think the paddles aren't big enough. Oh yeah, we got stickers too. We like it. We like getting the stickers. I've been sticking a lot of some, just started sticking some of these stickers. Let's just give a little shout out to pwcdoctor.com. Awesome VersaPlug drain plugs. And I got them on both the skis. So we got the graphics. Stick those right there. Oh, we even got more graphics. And Jason is who I talked to there, and he races too. So that's kind of cool. Listen to people who race, and telling me some areas he was in high current and what how difficult it was to ride. He just said these skis are hard to ride in really high current. So special shout out, and here's all their info. That's pretty cool. Number 2, 833 JC Racing. How original. I've not seen somebody that's pretty cool. And they're in Vista, California. He told me I should move to San Diego. He goes, come to San Diego and there won't be stuff eating you. He couldn't believe I ride in the water with bull sharks and alligators. I tell you, I don't know how I do it either. I think I'm crazy sometimes. This is pretty interesting here. Gotta cut some stuff. This looks cool. Check out the settings on settings. Talk about adjustability right here. Holy cow, man. We are going to be... Where do we start? This is... Let's just see this up close, just for you guys to get an idea. Look how bigger... Sorry, get the GoPro in my mouth. Look how much bigger just their backing plate is than the Riva one. That's where the mint sponson pots right there. So we're going to be talking like, really cool. Really cool, really cool. I'll set that right there. And I made a mistake when I showed you guys this. They're both living in the package together. Holy cow. Really cool. Thing is huge. I want to say the nice thing too. Bet you this is aluminum. We can test it out right now. We got a magnet. It's aluminum. It's not sticking. How cool. So these ones, both the R&D and the Riva are plastic. And we got a big piece of aluminum. Definitely, I'm thinking I should have gone with them from the start, because they're almost all about the same price. But let's not even get into that. That's another video to discuss about all that. So we got the hardware. Just giving them a little shout out again. Let's make sure everybody can see it. Yeah, there we go. Thanks a lot, Jason. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. It does look really cool. I'm happy to try this out and see how this all works. But this is the JC Racing Kawasaki SX-R 1500 stand-up Sponsons. And I'll do the next video doing a comparison of all this, because people might be interested. I know a lot of people recently have been getting into buying these SXR 1500s from watching my videos. So it's definitely going to be cool to show these comparisons. And everywhere, and the big thing is when you're doing your ski up, everybody rides different, everybody stands different, everybody's riding different conditions. For some reason, I picked to live somewhere where everything's just really hard and stuff wants to eat you. So here she is, and soon to have these on. So definitely, if there's some drilling, it won't take that hot long to drill out some holes and run some bolts right through it. So I'd like to, next time riding this, is just be all ready to rock and roll. And probably those little bolts right there is probably what's for those mint sponsons. These are probably, I got a bunch of bolts. No, take it back. These are probably it. Well, one of these, one set's going to be for the ones going on the top there. Probably the smaller ones. We'll have to look and figure this all out. I'm into new projects. I think it's pretty, blades are pretty big. So they have a smaller blade. And yeah, I highly recommended getting these ones. And it's nice being a piece of aluminum too, because big piece of plastics and it has a flex, and all aluminum. This is billet. It's a lot of metal here. Really cool. I'm super excited about this because this is gonna be. But it'll be. I think it goes from behind there. Yeah, definitely. This is cool with the adjustability. I wasn't aware that you could adjust these too, so. There's a lot of movement with where these are going, and I think this is pretty cool piece of hardware to try out. He said he was real curious to see how it was going to handle in the conditions where I'm riding, and I'm probably more curious than he is. Just ahead of me, give the beginning of the video. First off, special shout out jcracing.com. Check them out. You know, I do free monthly giveaways, totally free to enter. Be subscribed to I'm Beowulf. Be subscribed to Beowulf Nation. You gotta be subscribed to both channels to be entered. This is totally free. Then you gotta either one or the two. You gotta follow me on Instagram, I'm_Beowulf. If you don't do Instagram, then it has to be Facebook. My Facebook page is I'm Beowulf, obviously. And it's do free monthly giveaways, and I've been doing the free monthly giveaways, giving away a free Jet Tribe Life Vest. No matter where you live, you get to win it. One person per month. And best of luck with doing that. It's really easy. Everything's totally free. So also too, check out the I Am Beowulf merch at IamBeowulf.com. Also too, I have a really cool Amazon store where you get cool stuff like this, like the terrarium. I mean, we're listing up all types of stuff. It's not all jet ski stuff. And that, and even the cool LED light. Oh, I did a whole video when I did the ceramic coating on this thing. Look at this. Boom, you just bust it out and be like, pshh. And it has a magnet on the back. And look at that, just store it right there. And that's on my Amazon store too. That's Amazon.com/shop/IamBeowulf, the Yamaha GP 1800R. Thanks for tuning in. Be driven to win. Remember, every day is Earth Day. Be safe out there. Peace out. Beowulf Nation.